Hey, happy Sunday night. It's, a little after 8. KJ's in there just hacking. I tried all the little tricks. I hope everybody's doing well. I hope y'all had a good day. I'm sorry, I've just been kind of MIA. But, I was over at Amy's a good bit of the day. Then, Adam got called out to work. He got called out. But this was the only day he was on call until, not next week, but the next week. And, of course, with Amy being off work some, that overtime's not going to hurt. But, right now, Presley Ann and Pop and Stella are on the bed in the bedroom watching Moana 2. And KJ and Sasha are on the couch in the living room watching one of his little shows. I don't know what it is, the name of it, but Presley Ann fell asleep between 5 and 5:30. Yeah, they hadn't eaten yet. And then again, they get McDonald's again. But that's what the kids wanted. I know I should make them eat something different, better, but just to get them to eat anything, I'm okay with, I guess, And I did not cook. I ended up not cooking. Mike and I had sandwiches. He had his usual, but I had a ham and cheese, a Munster cheese, mayonnaise, shaved ham, and Munster cheese. Yeah. I have soup left. I could have that if I wanted. I'm just kind of too tired right now to not even want to mess with it. So right now, hopefully she's awake now. No idea when she may go to sleep tonight, though, okay? No idea. Now, KJ, he may be asleep, hopefully, sometime here in the next little while. But her, I don't know. We'll just have to see. And then hopefully they'll get to sleep and sleep some tonight. And then I can get them up and to school and daycare in the morning. And then pick them up tomorrow afternoon and take them home. Or either Adam will come and get them, I'm not sure. Then Tuesday, let me see. Tuesday night, I'll have to go over Tuesday morning and get them and take them to school. But then Tuesday night, Lindsay's going to come and spend the night. And she's going to get up and take them to school. And then she's going to take Amy for her recheck. And then I'll get the kids that afternoon because I'm not sure if they will be back from the doctor in time to get them. Because Amy's appointment's at 1. So, and then, just have to see how it goes from there. I still don't think that Amy's going to be able to pick Presley Ann up. I don't know if she's going to be able to drive or not. you know, so. But I wanted to come on and say good night. So good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. If they do, hit them with a shoe. Okay? I hope that maybe tomorrow I can fix the Tuscan chicken and everything, which is what I was wanting tonight so bad. But it was just too much. It was not that it's that hard or anything. I mean, anything that I was going to fix, not that it was that hard. I just didn't seem to have the energy today for anything. But I hope all of y'all are doing so much better. I hope, y'all, the ones, if anyone is still without power, I just pray that y'all get it back on very, very soon. Very soon. My KJ, I just don't know what to do with him and that little hack and cough. It seems to just come on and he'll do it for a little bit, but then it'll stop, you know. And then it may start for a little bit, and then it'll stop. Yeah. Amy's doing much better now. Yeah, she's doing much better. So, hopefully, you know, I mean, of course, each day is going to get better. So, but anyway, I hope y'all have a great night. And I'm just, you know, right now taking everything day by day. Because today, this was not my plan. My plan was to have the whole day to myself again and to be able to cook. And then after that and all, either we would probably go get the kids so that we could see Amy because we hadn't seen her. And then we would have them tonight. But we just ended up getting them a little bit earlier. A little bit earlier than either one of us had anticipated. But you know what? That's life. You just have to go with the flow. So I'm just saying a little prayer that Presley Ann will go to sleep. Now, the last 2 nights that they've been home, they have both been in bed between 7 and 8 and slept until about 7:30 or 8 o'clock. Yes, baby. You hear that, Mimi? She slams my bedroom door. Yes, sweetheart. Huh? What? You want to see? Come here, can you see? No. Oh, okay. Come here, can you see? Get up here, can you see? Scoot over here by Mimi and look. Can you see? There you go. There you are. There you go. Bye. Bye. I love you. No, you. She loves to slam that bedroom door. Mommy and Daddy FaceTimed a while ago, and she was in there with the door shut. And I had the phone towards her, and I said, look, here. And it was first Adam, and he said, hey, my muffin, and all. And she started saying something, and then she slammed that door. Yes, baby? You gonna join Mimi again? What are you watching?
Nothing.
Huh? What you watching on TV?
Nothing.
Yeah, okay. No. No. Oh, me. Oh, she's knocking on the bedroom door now. Y'all, I mean, they are such a joy. Bam, she goes. Y'all, I'm sorry for this.
I want pizza.
Yeah, okay. That's what I say when I don't know. Yeah, want to sit down? Is it cold?
Oh. Wait a minute.
Okay,
Hold me.
okay. Ooh. Careful, that'll break.
Hey, baby.
Yeah. Now, can you sit here?
No.
Yeah. Look, Presley, come here.
Hey.
Hey, what?
Papa, not Primo.
What about Pop-Pop?
No.
No. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay. I'm not gonna keep y'all on with this, okay? Y'all, my whole fingernail is off. The whole fingernail came off. It is. It's gone. So, bam, she goes. Okay, y'all. Y'all have a great night. I hope y'all have had something yummy to eat today. And I'm getting to the point where I'm tired of just apologizing and saying, I'm going to get to the comments. I'm going to get to the comments. And I am going through and reading some. I'm just not... Yeah, you know. I'm just not, you know. Getting the chance to reply like I want to and everything. But I do plan to do that. And it just seems like it's constantly something that interrupts me. If I go on Facebook to go to do that, something comes up on my feed that catches my attention, and then I get to watching that, and then it just kind of takes me down the rabbit hole. Is that the saying? I don't know. Is that the right way? I don't know. Okay, y'all. I appreciate y'all so very, very much. Especially right now, during this hard time. No, it's not a hard time. But during this, where I'm just kind of strung a little bit. But, let me say one thing, though. I was watching John and Mama, Coffee Time with John and Mama, the other night. There was one follower on there that made a comment. In that comment, it wasn't even about John or Mama. It was about another creator. And I'm not going to say any names or anything, okay? But it was a gosh awful comment that if anyone knows that creator, they know, they know, okay? No, no. I don't know how some people are allowed to do that. Honestly, I mean, how can someone be that mean? I don't know, y'all. I am just so thankful for y'all. Y'all just don't know. Y'all just don't know how much I appreciate y'all. I mean, because y'all are so good. Y'all are so good. And I just couldn't. I don't know. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. You know, it doesn't make sense to me. Oh, man. Anyway. That was just kind of a new one on me, you know. Someone that follows two different creators to go on one creator's live. Mama, John and Mama were on live for this follower that follows this other person and Mom and John to go in there and start talking badly about this other one. That was a new one on me. You know, that was a new one. But anyway, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all so much. And I'm going to go and hopefully try to get something. You know, when Amy was a baby, we used to bathe her in this Johnson's lavender baby wash. And it would relax her at nighttime. Yes, sweetheart. Yes, you got Stella's bones, huh? Yeah, you got Stella's bones. She's got a new box. She's got a box open already. Can you go get the box she has open already? You want to take her one? Take a bone to Stella? Go get the other box that's open. So, I don't know. I need to try to find me some lavender baby wash maybe for them. For baths, you know? Because I remember Amy being a baby and us bathing her in the sink at the trailer, our old place, with that Johnson's lavender baby wash. And it did. It seemed to help relax her and help her sleep. So, okay, y'all. I just jumped. Something triggers in my brain, and do y'all know what I'm trying to say? I don't know. Okay, y'all. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all sometime tomorrow. Okay, I really, really hope that I will. I say I'll see y'all sometime tomorrow. It may be like tonight. It may just be a good night video, but I hope not. I hope that I can come on sometime tomorrow morning or so and say, look, we've had a good night. You know, everyone had a good night's sleep. I was able to get them up and get them to school and daycare real good. No problems. That's what I'm praying for. Okay, y'all. I love you. Y'all have a great night. Okay? Can you say good night? Bye. 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 Ow. All right. Good night, y'all. Love y'all. Bye.